Hi, welcome to my channel, Jabertime, where I do math videos from algebra to calculus and differential equations, simplified with examples. If you are new here and you liked this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. And hopefully I'll see you again and again. And thank you for watching. Hi, welcome to my channel, Jabertime. Let's go over this problem. How many tiles in design N? Well, looking at design 1, I could count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could count design 2 the same way. I could count design 3 the same way, one by one. But I don't think this is what we are doing right here. We're supposed to look for a way as a pattern to count them without counting one by one. Because the question is later on, what about design 17? What about design 75? Well, you don't want to graph design 17 or design 75 to start counting by pencil one by one. And this is what we have here: design, our patterns, math, formulas, and let's get into it. So if you count them one by one, you get 7 here, 12 here, and 19 here. But let me show you another way to count instead of counting one by one. Here's design 3. If you look at the whole thing, count it as a square, then take these off and these off. I think you'll have the gray ones. What do I mean by this? Well, how many going this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I want to look at design 3. So design 3 is a 5 by 5 when I start thinking about graphing it. So it's a 5 square minus 2 3s, 1 3 on top and 1 3 at the bottom side. Keep in mind that we are in design 3. So I could think about 3 as an N, as a formula. In case if you want to finish this, that's 25 minus 6. Circled in pencil means the one you take away, right? 19. You could count them by hand and you should get 19. So let's attempt to write the formula. This is 2 times 3. I said earlier that's 2 times N if we are on the right side. How do you get 5 from 3? Well, maybe this is a 3 by 3. Sorry. We expand it and we go right and left and make it 5 by 5. So the 5 could be 2 more than 3. 2 more than N. So I have N plus 2 to the second, just like that, times 2 N's, 2 3's, 2 N's. When N equals 3, I get this right here. Let's take another way. How about if I count these ones in red, then I add these ones in green? All right. The red is a 5 by 3. But the 5, we kind of consider that it's a 2 more than 3. So I could write it as 3 times 5 or 3 times 3 plus 2. Then add the ones in green, which is 4 units. All right. That means 3 by 5, 3 by 5, and 4 more, which is 15 plus 4, and that's also 19. Same answer. How about a formula? Okay. Connect 3 to N if you want to speak N as a formula. So what do you think it's going to look like? Look at this right here. That's going to be N. That's going to be N plus 2, and at the end plus 4, because always we have those 4 at the end. So it's N times N plus 2 plus 4. When N equals 3, I have the following, which agrees. Hopefully we are right. Let's verify that those two expressions are equivalent. Show that the two expressions are equivalent, the ones we came up with. Here's the one on the left, minus the 2n which were in pencil marked, and this is the one on the right. Then we came up with the rectangle in the middle and the four corners. Let's work on the left. I could multiply n plus 2 times n plus 2. I could use the distributive property, so I get n squared, and I get 2n, and I get 4, and I also get another 2n from this and that. 2n's and 2n, which is 4n. So I have n squared plus 4n plus 4 minus 2n. I could reorder these two elements, which is called in math commutative property of addition, because like 5 plus 7 is the same thing as 7 plus 5, to move the n's next to each other, as you could see. Then I could combine these ones, being called like terms, and that's 2n. We're done with the left hand side. Let's look at the right hand side. We're going to use what's called in math distributive property, n times n and n times 2. N times n is n squared, and n times 2 is 2n, and we bring the 4 down, and we look. Same answer, and that should do it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Let me know, and I'll see you next week on Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.